we're outside and we're working on this leaky shower project. And the reason I'm outside is because we got to shut the water off. You don't want to take that valve off without turning off the water. So first thing you got to do is you got to locate where your water main is. Now there's one at the street, that's the main from the city, but then there's one that comes up to your house, and it's usually on a wall outside your garage or a similar area. And you can always recognize it because it's right below the water meter. It's right over here, I'll show you. Here we go. Here's our shutoff valve, and you want to absolutely do this before you touch anything as far as opening valves in your house, because you're going to have a real mess if you don't do that. Now this is a ball and joint shutoff. It's a newer one, so it's real easy to use. This is the older style, and you got to twist and twist and twist until that shuts down. This is one quick shot and your water's off. Okay, now when we're done with our job, I'm going to show you how to come back out here and turn it on without having anything else go wrong inside the house.